The Joint Committee of Local People on the Kynshi hydropower project has appealed to the state government to accelerate the implementation of the long-pending project. According to reports, the committee submitted a memorandum to Power Minister A.T. Mandal urging that there should be no further delay in execution. The chairman of the committee, Roshan Mirthong, informed that the panel met on the 1st of July at New Majai village to deliberate on the prolonged stagnation and unresolved issues related to the project. In the memorandum, the committee expressed deep concern over what they described as continued inaction by the authorities, particularly in coordination with MS Athena Private Limited. They stressed the need for immediate and concrete steps to be taken to move the project forward. The committee also sought clarity on the memorandum of understanding signed between the state government and Athena Private Limited, requesting a copy of the agreement for reference. Highlighting their growing frustration, the committee called for a tripartite meeting involving the state government, the company, the committee and landowners to ensure mutual understanding of the project's goals and intentions. The chairman underscored that the success of the project now hinges on the state government's decisions, particularly those led by the Chief Minister and the Power Minister.
Ngi nagaliang jongka Joint Committee of Local People on Kynshi hydropower project kabha po South Kasil West Kasil. Mandagas ngi layo wan manjikendu ya isar iti mandal balong minister in charge. Hakabadai berkenika project kabala Islam yak bala depan hajing syarat depan ya sign agreement do argak nyo tin rail askrap no eka kini gisnam bradep te hat din bangilio I eka jinga soibiang eka MOU berkeju company iwan menta ban pan ke jingsha na kalian job komen hakanu gorkom ba ya company bradep scrap menta korman ke sign biang eka nika MOU te din ka jing pensai na I minsar ka bedai bagani kalong ba la sign biang eka nika MOU berkenika company halor gunung rim nomor menshwa nagliang yaganika project la penrit no yaka jingkencang jong katam te amla shu ban penmi ke boarding ke bahe te ganika company kamyo profit issue hadin kata la mut pan persang ban le no kata pumping story le kata apat ke state government kamyo jing mentoi ai ban ngi kita cakar ngi myo jing mentoi ai ki local people ro myo jing mentoi te halor kata gunung rim yaganika agreement la scrap mantra Teman-teman nomor bakala mi kenika teknologi batmai ya kaba lataka karit makana la ban generate ya ka power kambun dede lor tanong rem nakliang jo kenika company bla scrap kenika MOU menchua kawan biang se government ban kerbat yo government ya sign biang nomor bala yo kita ki tier batmai ke bala ban ya kenika electric city ke kambun dede lor tanong rem nakliang jo government ka Daya soibiang jaga MOU rekat lang bagani company halor kata kanong rem ba kani company kala kamtip kamha ya jing ya den ti ke jongka ya kani project akite kitong kithan kijongi tedai tang nak takatau ba nak liang jongka government ko asan biang MOU kapenta kapari ka bangi kwa ban dawa menta khmat jong minister ko lomba nak liang jong sarkar kade ban khot lang yangi ka joint committee kitrai kendau government bagi company bangin ya keren seni ya kena kam haswa ban stang ban pentre ya kena project kenang makanam don kena project penwit hak bedai kena project dan nakaliang jongka jong minister hak bedai begani ru nakaliang jong I la a ya ke jing menjur baik sekot lang ya company rengkat lang bangi ka komti hak bangin ya ban sandur komlo ya ka ba nakaliang jong I ban ya seperang hak bedai bat kena project Tentang kita kijingi kenduk kejungi hak badai berkenika badi minister mentakasni hak badai berkenai nagaliang jong korban kam klem don kenduk kejing sim jumut na hak badai badngi hak badai berkenai nak kata ngiwan mentapan pan kejing besar nagaliang jong korban
kan kisnam sih kibasakta
nak kene project kibasakta kila bandon haki sipho tadi kisnam Kausuran hakabadai bagani kolomba nakaliang jongka korman le kadon be kejing temu ka ko penmi kloi no yaki yaka boarding lejong namar ba kat kolong menta kolomba kejing kedu boarding kepala serkai mo lawan menta te dan nak kalian government lagi kuat bahwa kan ya itu sekemat ya kan project dia ketang kita